Abusia uni bibi asedanka Nyankopɔn obi bia wo hwɛ me na Yehowa wo nhyiraw. Ene mehu eyi bi wo social media no so a mepese me no mienu yebede nkomo kakra. Na before that no eye eneda na yenwa brante a obepie mu wo ye Papa Stephen Adom Kyei-duah mu ni die mu eye nyumtuni a meka se bibinti na ne nyumto no ene ne nyoma bi akofom kakra. But obepie ye Papa Stephen Adom Kyei-duah die mu no ene meka se abrante no wasan so ehuri edina ne na so. Abrante be na obi be bisa se meka na wasemi eye okonfo kwade. Na yebedi okonfo kwade ho nkomo kakra na afi ya bowrem ye Papa Stephen Adom Kyei-duah ne die mu ene da mbra ogusu preach no ama wasem bisi ya odofo na eswani eno na mepese wanya ho abotre me no bokọ ne akohwe sa video no na emum yen sha si mfiri ya eye Ralph the follow Ghanaian. This guy is doing massive job. I mean obodo omode ebi ase obia de wo obia wo de ope ebia na open asem ebia na wo open asem. But let's look at what the youth of Ghanaians, some of them are doing to support the government. And I believe these are some of the things so we are Ghanaian say will come across such things now. I will say what mission at the frame. That's why I want to share with you. And that the course so Ralph. Ralph life and society and country it is all about dedication.
Sit down. Sit down. No problem. Sit down. Don't worry. It's nothing. I just want him to be disciplined and responsible. What he did, I went to the car to talk to him that, why did you do that? The moment, why did you drop the ball? He started running away. I said, hey, stop, stop. He saw me chasing the car and he still flew away. He thought I wasn't driving and he had to drive out to where I came and meet him. And I said, you know what, please, come. It's nothing. I just want you to go and sweep for people to see that this is the punishment you go through when you do these things. That's all. For arrest, I ask them to bring him out. You won't go there for no reason. Let's go. You go and sweep it. For that one day, you do it. Let's all exercise it. One day, when we are coming home from town, when we reach that before toll booth, we can be in the traffic for how many hours? Because of no problem. Today you were caught for doing that, and punishment needs to be happening. You will go and sweep it. Don't worry. I am a citizen. I'm a Ghanaian officer. No problem. Thank you so much, Samu Assiste. Thank you so much. Yeah. Let's all make sure the right thing will be done. Thank you so much for assisting. Yeah. Thank you. I'm much grateful. No, I will make sure the right thing will be done.
If say near individual ubia determine so play the role of self-dedication to the growth of the country, I am telling you, enya dia obofo kra firisoro bakra mayebeya ne yebeye, because we have not dedicated ourselves to serve the nation diligently. And now my God edum pepenso eduno. But if you are watching me right now, na o support ade bi na ye na se nipa beka se ade a wo ye nanya, continue to do it, because at the end of the day no, your reward will come. Okay? Abranti recently okutwa video bi ewo Rich Hospital ebeye dija. Just about yesterday, I was scrolling on the social media and I came across this particular video and also etwegu menchen na onia branti a meka se oye Muslim ni na wakonom pure water bottle botic one ebi no wi ojato form. Luckily enough na Ralph the follow Ghanaian na ogina ho nti obomode se oba instruct abranti ne se onfa bottle no every form wo. But abranti no, I don't know, say we say or tika papa mu say dey ontino.
Facebook me tika mu na me hu say man bi park traffic ne tse no on se sabole e won car mu e di gu car kwan no. E na me call car no ho koka chen say on slow down. Na adenti na o se say the ball and di gu onum. Masa park well. O yes so ko nim park ya no two car no. E na odwane. Na onim se me na form into otu dia eno anoko. ena me de car esana ye kodu kwan no wa park car ye wura mu otokuro bi mu ofria no mu kobeye ayi to boot wo ena still me di netia akwa no ena me na ba say omra na omeje praye ene shovel ni ade no nko sesa ball ani nia free kwan no ho enti no ye hia praye ni ade en na tankers for ne be ye adwuma no ene da me twem ho anopa no operation okay endra anopa me twem no na omo de car apaki siwa omo prapra ema me da omo krase na enne me du won na wo so apaki o car yi ball agu entwa yie ye nia oman na asede se e be ball oman no ho ban.
He did not mind Ralph. One kasano who took car no pa so and Ralph take the risks to follow this gentleman and or chase Sabranti and or handle them police any community task force or machomo or KMA Kumasi. I don't know where exactly this incidents happen, but I think say either Kumasi or Accra, one of these two cities. And follow over the Mukomo, a friend say office or and my children man apply say on Kononko Plus Shaboni Ade. But I noticed one thing, who say a task force one Ankasa two Manankasan, they are lacking, they are lacking so much in terms of logistics, they are lacking. In terms of facilities on me here, are cleaning up no. Apart from Bluma or Moano, Eban maybe to say Shaboni rake needs those kind of things. They don't have. Aside that, no, after the cleaning friends set up no. O my cleaning every no crano. Kala o meswa bola na egum crano. Eno so muni bi. Enti rap bomodi to anamoa ni abrante no ekosin wo so onko abrante mu koduru wo no. They realize even omuni ade kura so prepare wi kura obesa kum na chese obesa ya bobo ano si ho na chese akoye constant job.
The right thing will be done. Until there, mom for mo prayer and mo nyoma nemra. Na me ko baby but say okoye. Adia enye etiasem. Why? Enye etiasem say obi itin dabi. Yem ko prapra. We dem ya mebu nkoto biase. But yem ko na onko pra. Opra wi an okoni baby a okọ. Yeah. Mom for prayer no. Embra and shovel you been your shovel and to yen you no man embra say nyoma wo dia yeah mo panyin ni say mo nyimbra right na mo man gloves ni ade yes sir mo you don't have shovel when so say the municipal assembly no they are lacking logistics for cleaning the okay prior no there ebi wa ha but the shovel no ni ade no and na mo like bi enti shovel ni ade ebi nse dey ni ya as you can see shovel no ebi wa mo ye adwuma o enya mo fa team ni bi na say doso na tese mo ni bi no mo like me hu so mu tigata me ba me hu so mu tigata ni mo enka ono kwa ye fia ye betumi de na akọ so no akoka no makoti yeah and very good we need to just be sanitizing the system with such punishment onye she nipa na wo friend no so ye Islam ye nim say cleanliness is one important thing in Islam no problem. It doesn't change anything. Alaj. But still, the right thing must be done. Alaj, the right thing must be done.
But if you are government, understand the inside.
I am just a Ghanaian, right? Let's make the right thing will be done. Let's go.
But I think say the air cost social media no. The sanitation minister no on to me country say ohunu anamo and Raf o take it. Nobody is quiet about it. Say quiet the quiet conversation to say the ekusi wo ridge hospital ya enka by now ka ridge minister no and sanitation minister no in 10 temper and waba eba make statement. I just want to pass this comment to the sanitation minister. Say so who are there rough we are on video way now provisions biara task force me here even rough nankasa so dedicating one more mind say we making sure say cleanliness will be one of the yembo modina yembo abrantia no ban na nipa se wutu wusu wo se obayi bibisi no wa nya support e bi be wa bembugu abembu so bape na fi ase ade na wo hya ase no infaso bia ede amba ho. So I am pleading to the government to do something to protect this guy, because enyoma bi say no unyo obi ambo ne paawo obi entua ne kawo onu akasa no devote no ho just to make sure say a krumu beti nso so yankofo wa yiti omuka. And if you look at the kind of job Ralph oye na nti by this time kra no ade na mo pe position mi mfa no ntentema na mo twaya ma bibie siansa na you can say oh abranti Ghana, these are some of the things I hear sometimes. In the way you hear, so we have a travel video, so we have a TV to cry, Makasa said, and make us see. By this time, they should have employed him long time. Now, more training on how I'll approach a friend say pedestrians or on how we approach citizens and on how we approach womo. See a man uniform no share. Could you imagine say the Oshe uniform no the Oshe uniform no individually omo my bibi etisa no. They are trying to attack them. No one year a friend say police or no one year task force or no year man to me bia no. It was someone who say individually obi wa yin I don't know what you know. They can attack him. So this one, please, mo share video with mommy. I don't know. Now, like Batimiswa. Like Batimiswa. What happened is there a pushing video no, and video no to me cover. It is Mr. When you people come across us now, Momo Dina share video no my. Ralph is doing a good job, and he need to be. I was say Shena or Mobon Hobaina and Kofa Ibiaba because Anamona would to know it is very good, and I support him 100%. Now let's move to Yinua Brantie Okonfo Kwade na Yindi no komo. I believe say it's a quiet time Okonfo Kwade Nyankopɔn anam ye Pastor Ben Adom Kyei-duah so ene Abrantie ene adofo no ma omo so eboa Abrantie. I believe say for now no looking artist ne state ni de nyoma fine. And that is what all of us we are looking for. Sana or any that or performing mla a student no more 1 or 2 ibia or more kasafa in Drubwaneho drugs.
Yan kumani biwa ya brano panumubia wa ifase odi enubisi amafutuo edema womo ati omo guma red ye prescribe mo no mebi mu de wo mo tramadol no mo no then asem na the catches afu
we dey ye gina ani asa beto aso ne asa ya san gina ne asa to aso nyasa the American say ye na ye start free baby and san ye do baby inti uye bibia also hu baby a opesa o start free na wo ko wie baby kura opesa o ko wie it will start here at the cra o ma no papa kire say e kire wo no e na wo say hu na duro kra de ye kire say duro ye de yesi a didn't na wo say ko pe kire kwan na wo de ye ho nti duro a wo be no ma doctor na so bi a wo yare safo bi trauma o on share say no anase no na fasa wo ho yare e fa we ana already o fa ha ana o fa ha na ko fa no ma e no ye friend drug abuse in substance abuse ni ye ko school you shrine it is ya chere na sa wo nim die tikura wo no ana wo hu die ti a wo start free ha na wo hu baby ari akọwe na akọfa no ma e be we che wo start ya boy wo say we ya boy no boy
obetu aso ye full stage na nanom ehu anim na sa
First of all, how did this red, it's a red who said there, how did it come into the system, into the society? I will say, food and drug board for a moment on such things. And you may be a semi boom, and you can see allow the public domain. hwɛ ekura mo wɔ so no palakura wokoto na sɛ nyɛ doctor na a prescribe amawa there's no way a wonsa bɛka pala no. So how did it happen? Itumi kɔ ba ne sɛ obi tumi kɔ drugstore no wakɔtɔ edubɔne no wade abe frɛ duane ma ne yɔnko wade abe yɛ biribi ama ne yɔnko anaa ankasa ɔno ankasa so ano. It doesn't happen. Country BL develop BL wa allow without doctor description. Hey, I say the say the yen nyansa no. Honestly, no be until sa read no. For no moton no drugstore na. E na drugstore owner unti okwa swale na abranti aba a onye doctor. Onkuta doctor prescription bia no so authority no otumi yi ama no se onkonom no se na brabo and do think say wo say nipa na wo ton sa drugs na ma wo nua no so onkonom se na brabo no wo fi say wo pesika no wa what do you say wo pesika what do you say you are looking for money so e kwam boni bia so obefa so on sa be kesika no emfa wo okay munya botre na emra na nkasa o Ghana no enye dwumantia na ma obia take advantage or yenkwasiade na mo ye no. Let me use that word because matras here will say I say oman yendwene abusiafo oman yendwene o if you people no mo dwene etimi fo no doso oman Ghana mu wo no wo turn drugs am obi ni ba se won konom no se na brabo. And you are happy with it because at the end of the day you are getting that kind of peanut na wunya sika fia bi na wunya na and so crowd to me man for so ma wono emomuno obomomodin aton drugs na mo bi ba so onkonom no se na brabo adofo momo ye kohwe video imra na bombode so fo wadwen kire bra kwade de kasa bi abetudia wakasa pa and God bless him for coming out to
before monko kakra okonfo beto aso na bidika
bi amana akɔcheke akɔhu doctor no also pen for dom na si from na yehu
na you hear musicians omo followers omo influence upon the youth then na be catch we nuanom anyomtofo no gospel for hip life afrobeat nyade obeka catch omo so de omo be adwumadi no want to amount for atwe omo afi red into we to mythical fans no then I'll be catching musicians no say be omo be shame aposa the road bi wadaroma
musicians and they make catch up say on say enyo no obia wo the ntia o person woto and the target audience the ntia omo a person ocho omo na asa omo feel no it say oyo obi a woto nyom na say o to nyom na asemba ko pe na wo kan emboa e wo so wo nyom no okafa ensemble bra aye social vices ensema ha mrante na mebawa se apomudi won sem se bia obra wiase amane so ho ene awechiche so ye de manipa nti sa wo ye obi a wo to nyoma o se wo de wo nyom to no e fa sa kwan ne bi so e sa wo to nyoma
wa mo ye se mo ko fu ko ade yeah DJ ye so na ye bo ni
say ya ko do bi
asu so ya mu so mra
Obano, Wana Tueda, Wana Teda, Obano, 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 your parano, Sawakino Tata, your baby, Paranisa, why should you? Sabano, Kuan, your parano. And you get me, yeah, pano, baby, pano, yeah, Opano, your parano, so I cannot tata, your baby, paranisa, wash it, yeah, Sabano, Kuan, your parano, and you get me, yeah, pano, baby, pano, I don't know, Oba. She said, "The young friend of mine, your friend order sour, no, the war, order, allow Dako to go for the Takre, but you want to move my BBR with the Basha, a man of friend or Tadia, on the promenade, or the tears who are 1 minute. I pay 2 hours to pay, or that who are 2 months and nearby with you, and the way the Patrene, Saban or the more the Mufra, why to pursue the crosswalk, Peter Sacado, when you are to know on your home, or to know the daddy than trouble, or to know Sako. Sabano, Bakuan Kimu, Ujano, Obano, your parano, Sawajano Tata, your bag, your paranisa, why should you? Sabano, your parano, and I do the Abuni, and then your parano, baby, your parano, dear, Mr. Sign, Obano, your parano, Sawajano Tata, your bag, your paranisa. Why should you? Sabano, your parano, and I do the Abuni, and then your parano, baby, banana, baby, never up my fruit, Namano. If you have been a Biania, or baby, man, a whole ton from a palm on my menu, new good move, baby, Apano. Quaquano, a man, one of the kind of baby, Apano, your parano. So I can, yo, next track, I'm the same. Yo, you're not on time, I'm the same. I'm on for. Put your man out. Put your man out. Where are the quite a crack? You're the quite a start here. That I'm to school for no young to pay you. China, my Kimoseka, Mokomachi, me Pabu, me Chabu, and one name Machibu. Me Bamon China, my Kimoseka, Mokomachi, me Pamu, me Chabu, and one name Machibu. Everyone every can force you. Everywhere, and a man now so. Obi Akoko, you are Kodamada, not as a photo from the camp where you want to. I'm going to move. I will come on my trip. Happen. Why I'm going to go put him to. And here, I'll come for someone in Woody and Obi Akameka. Yasimakia, and never done Yamuna, Yabuya, Ninja, Mobana, Musco, Russia, Minimo Contia, Timania, Doom, Muwanda, I am saying, want to be soon. Mother Muaga, or Fred Papi, Jackie, Rabbi, with a good time and say, about you, and I do one, you can hear me out. Why are some of them? And I know I just watch your mother. You say, I'm not even Papa, put them in the ground. You have to go wood. You both of your phone, who's you fear. When you're talking about sister, when I come at you. But you are doing my tent now, so, what am I? China, my Kimoseka, Mokomachi, be Pamu, be Tamu, and one day Mashibu. Eba China, my Kimoseka, Mokomachi, be Pamu, be Tamu. No, this is next track, what's it? Whoa. Any pigeon music. Boys, how are boys, right? Boys, right, that's yo, boys, how are you? You know, Namo Kotunamo, Sinamoniana, boys, how are you? Somebody tenters, if you're my Yama, boys, say. Yo, next track. Last track, me say. Can I touch it? Can I touch it? Yo. Whoa. Oh, tata, man, can I touch it? Mawadi otum, sister girl, can I touch it? If you would, what do you me family, it can I touch it? Oh, tata, man, can I touch it? Mawadi otum, sister girl, can I touch it? If you would, what do you me family, it can I touch it? Last week, the engagement, my wife, and a raw engagement, the whole life, you move every day, what friend I be snatched now, so I engage. Anti-police, why engage? What touch the world? Can't was out idea. What's out idea, dear? Never know. After idea, I said no. One shot idea. So, I saw listening. Senior, and 20 says to go. The co-party, and I don't want to call ya, guess, cry, I tell him. Yeah, Mr. Home. Yeah, Mr. Home. About that time, yeah, Mr.